Well, here we go again. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will be talking about 4 websites that you can use in order to learn how to code for free, man. But before we do that, make sure that you guys like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot, guys. So we are on the way to 2,000 subscribers, and it will make my day if you could just subscribe to the channel. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the list. So number 4 on my list right now, in terms of just free content, right, is Code Academy. Code Academy is a great website that you can use in order to learn how to code for free. And I do like their website. A lot of the best features that they have are kind of locked behind that pro version. So in terms of free, that's why I put them at number 4. And my number 3 and 4 could probably be swapped. And my 1 and 2 could potentially be swapped, but I don't think so. But anyway, explain why I love Code Academy. Code Academy is great. They have a in-house code editor that you can use, so you do not have to set up VS Code. All right. And so what you can do, you go in there and you can just start learning how to code immediately. No setup needed, and they will break everything down for you in kind of a lesson-based style. Okay. Love their lesson-based style. It is great. And you can just start immediately today. Next on my list is Scrimba. Scrimba is probably the newest out of the 4. I think they're doing an amazing job over there. I think they have a smaller team. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I know their mission is to create the best affordable kind of courses for people to learn how to code, and they're doing an amazing job. I think their paid version is something like $18 a month, something like that. Extremely low, but we're not here to talk about paid. We're here for free. Free is what we want, and their free version is great. All right, and they continue to add to this catalog of great courses that they have. That's why I put them at number 3. Not just solely based upon what they have now, but where I think they could be in the future. They also have an in-house code editor, which I do like those best for people who are just fresh. Like if you are extremely fresh, I think an in-house code editor is best for you. But once you learn a little bit of code, you're going to want to start using VS Code and other different tools if you want something else. But VS Code is what I recommend. But with that being said, love Scrimba, love what they're doing, love the in-house code editor and how it looks exactly, you know, it looks pretty close to VS Code to me in terms of how it's structured out. Great courses, a lot of free things in there. And so as you can see on the screen, it looks pretty nice too. But let's get into number 2. Number 2 is the Odin Project. The Odin Project has been around for a while, and the reason why they're number 2 is because you don't get bombarded by, you know, trying to pay for something, and I enjoy that. Another reason it is because throughout the entire thing, they kind of take you all the way through in terms of starting from HTML all the way up to trying to get your first job, and they give you all of that for free, just like the number 1. But they give you all that for free. I think with Scrimba and Code Academy, once you get into like the career pursuing things, you have to kind of pay for that. But some of that does give mentorship too, so you're paying for a lot more than just how to get a job. But either way, they give you kind of some interview stuff, and they kind of give you the things that you're gonna need in order to land that first job. Now, they don't hold your hand completely, but they lead you in the right direction. You gotta pay somebody for more of the hand holding, you know what I'm saying? But if you learn the stuff for free and you hustling and you made it that far, you probably, you know, gonna be just fine. But I love Odin Project. And another thing that I like about the Odin Project is that it does kind of make you have to use VS Code, I'm sure, and they show you how to use it in terms of they give you what you need in order to set it up. You set up VS Code, and then you get started with the Odin Project. You like the Odin Project, it's pretty good. But you know what is number 1? Number 1 has been number 1 for a long time because they give a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot of information for free. And it still blows my mind how much information they give away for free. And that is Free Code Camp, the first website I used when I started coding. And so I love Free Code Camp, not only because they give away a lot of information for free, but the stuff that you learn is great. The instructors are great. They have a YouTube channel that they upload on. So if you're somebody who don't like the Free Code Camp approach, that they don't really have videos there, it basically is more of you read it and then you go. But some people like to see. I will say that's the only thing. that could be a con is that you don't get videos with free code camp. So I don't think you will have a problem going on YouTube and looking up some of the videos. They got thousands of videos on YouTube too. I say thousands, it's probably like hundreds, but either way, I like to be overly dramatic. But it's a great website, guys, if you're learning the code. In-house code editor, more of a text-based learning, not video-based learning. So, you know, if that's your style, it works out great for you. And then on top of that, if video-based is your style, they have a YouTube channel as well. And that brings me to the honorable mention, which is just youtube.com. Great instructors on this platform. You can find someone who meets your need for free just by scrolling on YouTube, a site that you are on right now. And I'm pretty sure you know how to navigate well because you're probably on here every day like me. But anyway, what do you think about the list from 1 to 4 or from 4 to 1, man? Do you agree? Do you not agree? Do you have some other websites that I don't know about that you want me to kind of look at and give my 2 cents on? Let me know that down below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Stacy Jr. and I'm out.